Howdy.
Paul's pack looks the most impressive.
Does it?
Yeah. Just
Feels easy going flat or downhill. But this kind of grinding uphill is torture.
we can't be too much like this.
Soybean cherry nut trail mix. Oh, nasty.
What is that?
I don't know. Sandra bought this crap.
Ew.
Soybean cherry nut? I'll eat it.
I'll take a snack.
I knew Ian would.
Do y'all still have those figs out?
One.
Do y'all still have the Fig Newtons out?
That's one package.
And does. And does.
Have one more Fig
Make sure you
Newton.
throw the trash back in my bag. I want some of this
I can't
trail mix
eat
because
that.
it's got.
Give me some of your tots.
Why? I'm really allergic to MSG.
Are you serious?
I'll break out in half.
Yeah, my stepdad thinks he is.
I give up.
Time for a Newton. One,
Here you
please.
go.
Yeah.
You didn't
jerky.
Newton?
You got jerky?
Just a little bit.
Yeah, we're done.